So I'm Dr. Bhavana Gadhavi. I'm a Dean and Principal at Parul Institute of Physiotherapy, Faculty of Physiotherapy, Parul University. I'm in the field of physiotherapy since 28 years and in the academics of physiotherapy since 20 years. So we prioritize a dynamic curriculum that incorporates the latest development in physiotherapy, such as advances in rehabilitation technology, pain management, ergonomics, neurophysiotherapy, and many more. We also focuses on developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills in the students to help them to adapt the ever-changing healthcare profession. So that is why our curriculum is emphasized on local, national as well as global needs, which emphasize on evidence-based practice and that ensures that student can apply most recent researches in their clinical practice. So our curriculum is designed to strike a perfect balance between theoretical learning and hands-on practical exposure. The students are engaged into clinical work also, as well as we organize many expert talks, CMAs, workshops, and many simulations that replicates the real-life healthcare scenarios. We partner with top hospitals and many more NGOs for the exposure of our students to get the more advanced clinical exposure. Students have ample opportunity to apply their knowledge as we have in-house 750-bedded Parul Sevashram Hospital, which has a super specialty. So all the students are being exposed to various categories of patients in which they can apply their clinical expertise and knowledge and skills for the rehabilitation. So we have integrated cutting-edge technologies such as 3D motion, posture as well as gait analysis lab. We have a tele-rehabilitation facilities. Other than that, we have advanced neuro-rehabilitation. We have many advanced research equipments, many advanced electrotherapeutic equipments. Also, we have a research lab for musculoskeletal, ergonomic assessment, neurophysiotherapy, as well as the cardiorespiratory physiotherapy. So we actively promote the interdisciplinary learning by collaborating with the Faculty of Medicine, Nursing, Allied Health Science, as well as Ayush. This allows our students to work as an integrated part of healthcare system, which is very essential for the modern healthcare delivery. Additionally, we also encourage our collaboration with the departments of bioengineering and other engineering departments so that our students have most innovative as well as recent researches in the healthcare profession. So we have a partnership with very many international universities and organizations that allow our students to participate as an exchange program. And we have a global internship program also. By these programs, our faculties and the students get exposure and can exchange the ideas and the system of healthcare delivery from India to abroad as well as from abroad to India. We have collaborations with many universities, and under this pathway programs, our students as well as faculties have visited many countries in Europe like Lithuania, Poland, Scotland, Germany, as well as Canadian universities. There they have got international exposure of the healthcare delivery system, and that is how the global need of being into healthcare professional as a physiotherapist is met. So community outreach is an integral part of our program. Rehabilitation is the main motive behind the physiotherapy management, and students are regularly involved into health camps, rehabilitation drives and awareness programs. We engage students into various activities like old age home awareness as well as camps. We are doing or conducting regular camps at the villages near Parul University that fosters the social responsibility and inculcate the humanitarian approach into our students. We have a regular camps at the outreach centers of Parul University. So our holistic approach to physiotherapy education sets apart. We emphasize not just the quality education, but also the quality research, clinical training, community engagement, while maintaining the strong interdisciplinary collaborations. Our state-of-art infrastructure, international exposure, focuses on personalized student development, ensures that our graduates are not only proficient in physiotherapy, but also prepared to become leaders in the healthcare centers. We have inculcate a quality of care with compassion in every of our students, which make them stand apart from the other community belongings. We also have in-house super specialty hospital and medical institution, which makes our student to have a strong knowledge as well as clinical exposure.